Hey guys, Richard here, eBike Reviews and Adventures, and in this video we're going to share with you all the e-trikes that we currently have in our possession and kind of give you a little recap for 2026 in case you're thinking about making a purchase this summer. So we're going to talk about some of the things that we like, what's our favorite, maybe a couple of things we don't care for so much, so make sure you stick around and watch the entire video. Let's get into it. Okay guys, over the years we've had a chance to test and review quite a few different trikes and brands, and we wished we had some for this video, but unfortunately we have to move them on, right? We can't keep everything that comes into our possession. This is what we have currently. Most notably, right up here in the front, we have the Meet One brand, and we got 4 of their trikes right now. We got the brand new Breeze Pro 2.0. We've got the brand new Tour 2.0, the Tour 1.0, and of course over here, the Pair. Meet One is just one of our favorite brands that we like to work with. They just have really good products. You see them all over the place. If you're doing your research, make sure you go out and check out the Meet One enthusiast group over on Facebook, because super phenomenal group of people over there, very respectful, very helpful. I learned a lot from them, in fact. So just a great place to start if you're going to do some research. Maybe start with the Meet One brand and then venture out from there. We also have back here, we've got Tenny Over, we've got Velotric, and we also have Lectric, which are also good brands to consider. Let's go ahead and start up here, and we'll talk about some of the things that we like, some of the things that we don't care for so much maybe. Starting with Meet One, like I said, the quality is just unmatched compared to most trikes, and so that in itself speaks volumes, okay? The new Breeze 2.0 has quickly become one of my favorites. Even in this configuration, we don't have the premium seat over here like you see, that office chair style premium seat. I still prefer the saddle. It does have a separate backrest I could install, but I haven't installed that yet. I'm not sure that I want it. I kind of like that free floating feeling of this trike. Huge big basket up here. This trike sits a little higher than the Breeze Pro 1.0, so I really like the changes they made in the frame style. But overall, one of my favorites. I don't care for this color a whole lot. I wish the color had been different. In fact, I wish the color was more like the Tour 2.0. Both of these trikes came out almost at the same time, and you can see the color on this one. It's more of a neon orange, very vibrant, like it a lot. Here's that backrest I was talking about. It's a separate backrest compared to the saddle, so you can remove it if you don't want it. It is kind of nice to have if you feel like you want that extra support back there. Huge basket back here, bigger than what's over here. Sits a little taller. Both of these trikes are extremely stable. You don't have to worry about flipping them over. In fact, it's kind of hard to flip them over. Not saying it's impossible, because Richard did it once, but still just great trikes. The Tour is quite a bit bigger than the Breeze Pro, a little bit longer. Just overall, it's a little taller, just a little beefier and bigger frame material that they use. So just be aware of that. Quite a bit heavier too than the Breeze 2.0. Right over here, let's jump over and look at the Tour 1.0. You can still get this one. Some dealerships still have stock. Not sure if Meet One has stock online yet anymore, or if it's completely gone. This is the early production model that we have here. One of the first ones that come off the assembly line. So quite a few things have changed about this one. But nonetheless, we fell in love with the Meet One brand because of this right here. Just the quality, the performance. You can take this thing up some extremely steep hills and just power right through it, because you got dual motors. This setup has a dual battery. Just very capable trike. If you're a heavier person, you got a lot of hills, take a hard look at the Meet One Tour lineup, okay? Moving over here, now this is probably one of our, I will say this is my favorite passenger style e-trike by Meet One. This is called the Pair. And we've had a few different passenger style trikes on the channel before. And let me point out to you, the new Tour over here is capable of having a passenger on it. If you take the basket off, they have an adapter you can put on there with another seat, so you can carry 2 people with that. But if you're thinking about 2 people, go with the Pair, okay? Because it is just so much more convenient, primarily because it's really open back here to make it easy for the passenger to get on and off. You got a nice comfortable seat. You still have a smaller basket so you can haul some things. Very capable trike. This one only comes with a rear motor. There's no option for a front motor. I do wish they offered that, because when you put 2 people on it, there's more weight and you need a little more power, right? And then if you're going to hit the hills, 2 people on this on the hills, it would really be nice to have a dual motor. Currently they don't offer that, but nonetheless, still a very capable trike, nicely equipped, one of our favorites. We use this a lot on the channel when we're just shuttling things around, or we need to take a trike or bike and drop it off to my buddy's house or over to storage or something like that. You know, we use this a lot just for that purpose. So again, very capable. Let's move back here. Here's another newer brand. This is called Tenny Over, and there's some things to like about it, some things not so much. I like the overall style of it. I like this style seat a little bit better when it comes to a premium seat. It does move back and forth just like the Meet One brands over there. It's got a different style rear basket. Not crazy usable in my opinion, because you know, this design, it's got this little bump out right there, that little hole, but then you got this small spot up here, and it's just, I don't know, it looks great. It looks great. I'm just not sure how practical it is unless you just have some really small items. This trike is a little wider, so it's nice and stable. It is a folding trike, but it's hard to fold. It's just heavy and beefy, and it's still bulky, so most people find that if they get a folding trike, they don't fold them because it's just too hard to do. Don't like these mirrors at all. This basket is okay. You've seen this on other brands. Sometimes they have a lid, sometimes they don't. The motor is nice and powerful. Battery is on one side over here. It is equipped, so you could get a second battery, put it on the other side as well. Overall, you know, I do like the looks of the trike, and it does perform well. Just a couple small things that, yeah, we'll just let that lie. Mostly, our relationship with the company isn't the greatest, and I wished it had been better. But that doesn't affect you if you're considering buying something like this. Moving over here, Velotric. This is the Velotric Triker. Now, we've had the Velotric Triker on the channel for a while. It's more of a compact style trike. Very capable. We use this a lot. In fact, Emma, who is operating the camera, often uses the Velotric Triker when we're making videos because it has a left-handed throttle, so she can use the right hand to control the camera. It's a trike, so it's more stable. She's not trying to balance on a bike, and so it's become our camera bike, or our camera trike. We still have a nice big basket back here to put gear and stuff in. 20 amp hour battery, so we can go long distance and be out all day if we need to. Nicely equipped as far as the controls, the button pad, the display. The app that comes with the Velotric Triker is just completely awesome. So there's just a lot of things to like about that, and that is certainly probably our favorite compact style trike that we've had on the channel, just because it performs so well. Over here behind me, this is the tried and true Lectric XP trike. This is the 2.0 version. They've got a 500 watt motor and a 750 watt motor version. This is the 750. This belongs to Mrs. Adventure, so when she's able to get out on the road with us, this is her favorite. This is her go-to. Very capable. The things I don't like about it, even though they came out with the 2.0 version, it's still gearless. You only have one gear, one speed. Your electronic gears, you can still shift them up, to 5 different levels. But as far as pedaling power or pedaling cranks down here, it's still just a 1-speed gear. And, so when you start getting any kind of speed, you're kind of pedaling really fast. And I wish they had had gears on it. That's my biggest thing with this. Otherwise, very capable trike, small, compact, folding, a little bit lighter than most of the other ones, but hugely popular because they are an American company as well, out of Arizona. Products are still made overseas, but you know what? They sell a lot of these trikes, and you can find most people are very, very, very happy with them. Customer service is number one. Customer service from Lectric beats all other bike or e-trike brands, straight up. So just love the company for that reason right there. So guys, you can see we've got quite a few trikes here today, and we've had many, many, many more on the channel. You can go look at the channel, some of our older videos. We've had a lot of different brands. We've had one ad motor, but we've had quite a few from 630. We've got, I can't even remember all of them, Iskute. We had Veribus, which is a cheaper brand. We've had, I don't know, there's just a bunch of other bikes and trikes out there that we've done on the channel. And I tell you, we have a lot of fun with e-trikes. And let me just say, if I get this bug out of my face, e-trikes are not just for, how do I say this politely, seniors or the Affirm. Whew, I am getting attacked over here by bugs. It is a hot, hot, humid morning this morning in Florida. Whew, get away from me. E-trikes are not just for seniors. It's not just for those who have limitations. E-trikes are for anyone that wants to get out and ride and have a good time. You know, my adult kids love getting on these things. I see other people that come over, they test them out, they love it, they enjoy riding a trike. So don't think that you're not ready for a trike yet. Everyone's ready for it. We were born ready for a trike because most of us, as a little one, we started out on trikes, right? So go back to your roots. Check out these great trikes that we have here today and consider making a trike purchase in your near future. Guys, that's going to be it for this video. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. If you're new here, subscribe. And if you have any comments, drop them down below. And remember, always ride responsibly, ride safe.